Welcome to your maths class. It's time to do revision of mathematics, page number 98, and today I have taken sums randomly and put the number according to the sums given in your book. 25, 29, 33, 37, 26, 30, 34 and 38. There is a reason behind it because difficulty level is increasing. So I have thought to take difficult sums also and easy sums also. So I have selected some of the sums according to its difficulty level. Okay, we will do it together. In first two rows you will get those sums in your book. Let us read the first sum and do it together. 20 plus 32 plus 29. The method of addition will not change. We will do addition as what we were doing earlier also. That is, we will add the digits which are given in ones place, and then if it is 2-digit number, we will shift the digit which is in tens place to tens column and add the answer and add that digit with the other tens numbers. Okay, let us do. Here 0 plus 2. So 0 means nothing. So you will add nothing. You have 2 with you. Then 9. 9 is bigger number. Keep it in your mind and take out 2 fingers and count after 9, 10 and 11. How we write 11? Like this. Can we write 2-digit number here? Can we write? No. As this one is in ones place and this one is in tens place. So we have to write according to its place value. That I have told you before also. You will follow here also. The method will not change of addition. If difficulty level increases also, the procedure is same for addition. Here we will write 1 and the other one which is in tens place will be carried to tens column. Then we will add the other digits which are in tens column with the carried number. We are adding from top. 1 plus 2, that is the next number. Yes, 3. Now 3 plus 3, take out 3 finger, start reading after 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 will be 6. Now 6 plus 2. Take out 2 finger. Start reading after 6. 7, 8. So the answer is 81. So we will write 81. It's not difficult, not at all. You will practice it and you will get it. It's very easy. But the thing is, you have to practice. Okay? Yes, you will add the digits which are in ones place. Yeah? 5 plus 3. Bigger number, keep it in your mind. Take out 3 fingers. Then 6, 7, 8. Now 8 plus 7. 8 is bigger number. Take out 7 fingers and read after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer is 15. What we will write here? The number which is in ones place. So 5 is in ones place. So we will write 5 here and 1 will be carried. 1 will be carried. Now we will add all the numbers which are in tens place and the carried number. 3 plus 1. Next number after 3, that is 4. Yes, 4 plus 2, 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. Because after 6 what comes? 7. So answer is 75. So we will write here 75. Now come to the third question. Here 6 plus 2 plus 3 is given in ones place. So we will add it together. Okay. 6 is bigger number. You will keep it in your mind. Then take out 2 finger. 7 and 8. You will count after 6. 7 and 8. Now keep that 8 on your mind. And then 3 number. Take out 3 fingers. And after 8 start counting. 9, 10, 11. Yes, you are right. That is 11. So what we will do? We will write one here and the other one here. Then all together we have to add. You can add from bottom or from top. But please don't forget any digits. Otherwise your answer will be wrong. Don't skip any number. Okay, beta? 3 plus 1, 4. After 3, 4 comes. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Then 4 plus 4. Tell me 4 plus 4. Tell me 4 plus 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Now 8 plus 3. 8 in your mind. 9, 10, 11. Here as there is no numbers given, so we will write 11 in the bottom only. But its place will be of hundreds place. This one belongs to ones place. This one belongs to tens place. This one belongs to hundreds place. You all know the place value, isn't it? According to place value, we have to write the digits. Okay. When there is no other number, you will write it here only. Because we will consider it as 0. Okay. Now come to the next number. 23 plus 45 plus 64. What we will do? Yes, we will add the numbers which are in ones place. Here 3 plus 5 plus 4. Keep 5 on your mind and take out 3 finger. 6, 7, 8. So you are getting, by adding these two numbers, 8. So keep it in your mind and take out 4 fingers and start counting after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12. But can we write here 12? No. What we have to do? We have to write. What we have to do? We have to write 2 here and 1 will be carried. 1 will be carried. Now you can add from bottom or from top. Whatever is convenient to you, you can do that. 2 plus 1. Yes, 2 plus 1. What comes after 2? 3. So 3 plus 4. 4 on your mind. 3 on your finger. 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 6. 7 on your mind. 6 on your fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer is 132. So I am writing it here. What we have to do? We have to place the numbers according to the place value. This one comes on hundreds place. So we are writing in hundreds place. Okay. According to its place value, we have to write in addition. Don't forget that. Let us do 26th sum. 21 plus 14 plus 16. What we will do? We will add the digits which are in ones column. 1 plus 4 plus 6. Then what is it? 11. So 1 we will write here and the other one we will write here. Then again we will add 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So the answer is 51. Now come to the next sum. 9 plus 2 plus 3. 9 plus 2 will be 10, 11. 11 plus 3 will be 11 plus 3 will be 12, 13, 14. So you will write 4 here and 1 will be carried. So 4 plus 4. Here 3 plus 1 will be 4. 4 plus 4 will be 8. So the answer is 84. Now come to the next sum. 27 plus 23 plus 53. Now we will again add 7 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. So 3 we will write here and 1 will be carried. 5 plus 2. 6, 7. 7. 7 plus 2. 8, 9. And then the carried number, that is 1. 9 plus 1 will be 10. So the answer is 103. Now let us do the last sum. Okay. 6 plus 1. What comes after 6? 7. Very good. Now let us do the last sum. 6 plus 1, that is 7. 7 plus 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what we will write here? 2 here and 1 will be carried. Now we will add the digits which are in tens place. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 7. Take out 6 fingers, count after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. Then 2 more fingers you have to take out because 2 digits are here. After 13, 14, 15. So answer is 15. As 1 is in hundreds place, we will write it in hundreds place, and 5 is in tens place, so we are writing in tens place, and 2 is in ones place, so we are writing in ones place. Okay, so the answer is 152. Now rest sums you will do by your own without asking your mom or dad. Hope you will do seriously. Okay, bye.